Good morning. Hello, hi, what's up, people?
Hello.
I'm back in Manipur. Why I came to Manipur is because the problem happened in Nagaland due to all those killings. So another day, another episode. So we are going to Moreh. Very interesting. And our friends, our co-drivers, riders, they are in Classic. We're gonna go there and we're gonna go drive down to Moreh. So sumaina Moreh da chatla ngasi diko aduna aishu problem kha leibduna Nagaland gi sitamula duni ngasi gi program se ngasi gi episode se so kamai tauno yengsi moi gi first time ni akoi su kuiram matung da after lockdown or after first time ni kamai get hange hai kamai tauno yengasi so yengasi before starting the vlog. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So my taraka, let's start the vlog. कैसा है? Let's introduce my wife to them.
Good to see you.
Hello. Ajom. Aruna. Nikhil from Mumbai. Nikhil from Delhi. Basically, they just came back from Ukhul yesterday and they're talking about the off-road. What all happened? क्या हुआ फिर?
Oh,
The off-road.
so we wanted to go to that lake, Fangrai Lake, and so we thought we were taking the path, all dirt, kitchen path upstairs, but we missed the turning to this thing. And we drove for 2 hours, came back, and then eventually we had to trek it up.
Did you find the lake?
Yeah, we
Yeah?
went up.
Okay.
Nice, 20 minutes.
Arvind.
Mrs. Devson.
Yeah.
Hi. Nice
Sonia.
to meet you. Sonia, right?
Senior, super senior.
Oh, yeah.
But you're looking young today. Because of the jacket.
Little chiefy also, no? Tribal chief.
It's 7:20.
Fuel stop and
Fuel stop, then chalo, let's go then. We're about to leave and Adam Bhai is with us.
Hi.
It's 99. Mine's petrol and these guys are these guys are all diesel, huh? Finally, Khongjom. We had Khongjom with thought of taking some pictures.
Nice memorial, huh?
Yeah. So basically, ये जो है, there was a belief that ना sword से like literally defended the bullets of British.
wow.
वो battle ऊपर वहाँ पे there's a place वहाँ हुआ था. That
So this is part of the Indo?
Manipur.
Is that
Manipur Anglo.
In
Manipur Anglo?
yeah, that time Manipur wasn't part of it.
Is that the memorial?
Yeah, that one.
That time Manipur was a what? Independent territory, not
Yeah,
part
yeah,
of
yeah,
India.
it was under it was princely state.
Princely state. Okay.
And
So
then
nothing to do with the World War II?
No,
No, okay.
no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice stop and we took some pictures. You know what to do for pictures. Follow on Instagram and from here we're heading towards Tengnongpal. Adum tam na mayam na ula ge mayam Manipur dai loi khangang mani, but yeah, this is for the first time for the people who are coming down from outside and watching from outside. Without traffic we can touch 100-120 on this road. It's a 2 to 3 kilometer stretch. It's gonna be a great road. You can just speed up if you want.
Copy.
from Khongjom War Memorial. Finally, we're reaching the checkpoint, army checkpoint of Tengnongpal. It's just 500 meters away from here.
Yes, and you'll know what to do, right?
Yes, we have to just do entry. Yeah, the check post is after this corner.
Okay.
Record so that if you're coming back, we have to tell them we are coming back. So we have to re-enter again
Okay.
while coming back. So that is the place where the things are going on. And let's see.
Few moments later.
Yeah, that was some smooth checking. It was quite smooth, huh?
Yeah, very smooth.
Yeah.
Do you want to proceed to Gavies and just order breakfast for 8 of us?
Yeah.
We'll save 10 minutes or so, है ना?
Okay, you want to go there?
आप पढ़ लो इतने.
ठीक है. So we leave to Gavies now. Yeah, we have finally reached Gavies. Sun is shining. Yeah. बहुत सारा पिक्चर लेगा इधर. Good man. Highway now, and there are lots of construction going on. We are just 30 kilometers away from More town, and road is become horrible now. Overcast and lots of cloud covering the mountains. Finally, sun is out, lots of sunshine, and weather is improving. By the time we reach, road is getting crazier now because of this. Lots of construction and due to rain. This is a place. यहाँ पे only kilometers inside. Only Meitei community lives. Around only 300 of them. That's called Kwatha. एक वहाँ लिखा हुआ है Kwatha village. So sini ay mo haipet hai kita ubo ka. Silai rai changbam do. This is the way to Kwatha. So if you go to that side, that's More. This is Kwatha village. To show this token there, the one which we got it from there. My vehicle checking and everything entry is done. Basically, we had a token which was given at the first checkpost. Now we have to return that here and do our entry. And I think More town is just 10 to 15 kilometers from here. It's gonna be an exciting one because we're gonna go there after a long time, for me especially and for my wife. But of course, yeah, for brother Tajom and other guys, they're gonna come. They're gonna check it out for the first time. Now, More Moray town is almost here. So I'm excited, very excited, and let's see, it's almost there. So let's see what all we do. mayamda dum ulake kamai kamai tawno do Moray se kuire chattabasu laktabasu aduna ai kuthang da dum yengasi mayam ko kari phigam da laibano do adu sur ulage after covid situation se hujik hujik ti kitang phare na moina open tawre hare ado namfalong chasi aduga kamai kem tawnu yengasi mamang jiuna parking here jo oh Namfalong is not open. Namfalong hangam dre. But yeah, Namfalong is side some the hang so parking taraga chalasi kamai kamai tawno. Let's see what all things are open. That's the gate. We'll go there. Let's take.
So the market is shifted here.
Facing. Photography prohibited in this area. It was crazy checking, man. But I had to literally, you know, tell him like carrying drone cameras from this side to getting it from Moray side, not allowed.